guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. If you're brand new, I'm so glad you made it to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. In this video I will be doing a DIY from mostly materials are from dollar store. Well, actually they're all from the dollar store. Some are from Dollar Tree and some are from Dollarama, and I will be making a farmhouse inspired floral arrangement, so come along. The supplies that you will be needing for this DIY are a tin from a dollar store. This is actually from the Dollar Tree. Some different florals from Dollar Tree. So I will be using these lavenders. Then I have a whole bunch that were left over from last year. And some of the new ones that I picked up from Dollar Tree this year. And then I have some green leaves as fillers. You will need a good glue gun and glue sticks. And I'm also using this jute rope from Dollarama. And the floral foam to go right in there. So let's get started. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to glue this rope around it. I think I have enough room for one more. I think it turned out pretty nice. Going to put that, and now I'm going to arrange flowers, cut them down, and just kind of play around with it until I achieve the desired look. all done. This was super easy, very inexpensive way to add a nice little spring centerpiece to your decor. So let me show you a closer look. I just wanted to make sure that there's nothing showing through down to the bottom, that it's very full. There's different heights, different type of leaves, and I just think it turned out so pretty. And I didn't even use all of my greenery that I had, which means there might be another project on its way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you are brand new, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and notification button so you don't miss out any of the fun that we have on this channel. Until next time, have a wonderful day.